Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Well, anyway, I'm sitting here with my daughter, with the dog, and I'm watching a video. Chris Casparosa, the investigator, he investigates, I guess, a lot. You know, Chris Casparosa, I'm gonna ask you to investigate me, okay, my past. I did a lot of bad things in my lifetime. Of course I did. Everything I copped out to. And guys like you, I appreciate. I honestly do. And because the truth comes out. And it's always good to tell the truth. Tell the truth about people, whatever people are, you know, and don't destroy someone's character with lies. Destroy it with the truth, you know. Whatever people are, it'll come out. For example, you're talking about this guy, Nicholas Calicone from Rhode Island, the garbage can, where he slanders people, he tells lies about people. Meanwhile, this guy has so many secrets of his own. And I love the fact that Chris Casparosa pulls his card and he gets facts. You need to get facts when you talk about people. Don't lie about people. Destroy them with the truth. Whatever they are, it'll come out. So I'm watching the video, and Casparosa is saying how much of a drug addict this guy is. All these cases he beat, these gun charges, etc. A sex crime that he beat, all this stuff. And he has all these secrets that he hides. And he points fingers at other people. He's pointing fingers at me. He's pointing fingers at anyone who cooperated. So I'm trying to fix my life. Every day I try to make my crooked past right. But I got a garbage can like this that wants to create lies about me. And the truth will always stand. It boggles my mind that someone like Tommy Reynolds' mother, would talk to a guy like Nicholas Calicone or Garbage Rosso, another garbage can junkie. But birds of a feather flock together, and that is so true. Birds of a feather flock together. If you go on these guys' pages, you see the birds that flock together. They all join together. The garbage hangs out with the garbage, and the good hangs out with the good. So I want to put out there that when you slander people, make sure you have facts, because the truth will always stand. No one can destroy you, only you can. And that even goes for myself. So Chris Casparosa, I give you props for speaking the truth. Continue to do so. And I'll be watching. And I'll be doing a video soon. Some true stories of my life. And I got some new stuff coming out. So stay tuned. With that said, I love you guys. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.